Hey, whoa, why don't you be playing more music? What's going on, yo? Man, we're getting a little bit of sell-off into the announcement coming up. Well, what's cracking? It's your boy, it's Z-Rex. It's no noise. We live a little later than I wanted to be, but, you know, I guess better late than never. Had to get some work done on the vehicle and just got back. Oh, let me turn my live scene on before I forget that. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so getting a little bit of Dumpy McDumpson right before this announcement that's about to go off here in about 9 minutos. And that's for the... oh, god damn it. Fucking bitch. Frames. Of course, I'm not even be able to do it today because the goddamn internet is sucking ass. And it looks like I'm going to be kind of screwed here. I'm going to just wait for a second, see if it stabilizes. Man, I kind of want to buy this dip right here, though, before the announcement. Let's just wait, see if it's stabilizing. Come on, stabilize, you little punk bitch. Of course it'd be on today, right? Yeah, shocker. This fucking bullshit-ass, stupid internet. Alright, I had to do a different... Oh, cannabis. Okay, nice cannabis. I like that. Alright, it's coming down a little bit. Still kind of just waiting here. Man, Bitcoin sold off pretty good off them highs. Little Pumpy McPumpson. And then just Dumpy McDumpson. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Yeah, not too surprising. But hey, look, it's getting caught on the 21 and right on this trend line so far. So that's interesting. Oh, maybe Bulls better defend right here. That doesn't look too sexy. No, it does not. Alright, looks like we're stabilizing, so that's cool. I like that. Oh, shit. Oh, well, whatever. Get it later. Alright, let's see. Just chilling. Come on, keep going down. Keep going down. You can do it. Come on, internet. Alright, let's just go to the ES right now, and then we'll catch up later to that. Oh, yeah, look at that already... Trying to find some support. Is it nice little sell-off here, but I mean, really, it's just in the stupid range, though, overall. Usually you don't get a decent move right before the announcement, but whatever. This is only like 10, 20 points. So that's not a huge deal. Let's see. Gold's just kind of chilling. Looks like some continuation over here. All right, come on. You can do it, computer, internet thing. Oh, man. Yeah, this very concerning Dow Jones chart. Definitely don't like that. All right, it looks like it's coming down still. Come on. You can do it. Yeah, interesting. Right at about 11, started getting the dumpage. Come on, keep working your way down. Keep on working. Keep on. Oh, what the hell? ACB? Oh, yeah, I forgot they're like, Bittrex is doing that. That's really cool. I don't know if US can trade those or not. Sorry, a little unorthodox start to the show today. But that's okay. Oh, what is this doing? General Can? Oh, let's go. Come on. Can we get some rally action out of here and bust a nut? Alright, we're down to 7%. Can we keep going down? Come on. It looks like it's a lot more stable than the initial start there, so that's good. I do like that. Alright, let's just go watch ES for a second. Because this announcement's coming up soon. Why do I have this stupid thing? Why is this? Oh my god. Windows, you're so stupid, man. Alright, there we go. Alright. Alright, yeah, we're looking a lot more stable than earlier, so that's good. That is good to see. Alright. Bam, boom. Okay. Sorry, just kind of having to set everything up here on the fly. So I was out running some errands. I had to reboot the computer and all this other stuff too. What is this? New on Grow. Huh. Got a new tab on OBS over here. Multiple 3 times. Streaming, Facebook. Oh, it's just like a little goals tab. Huh. Alright, well, that's kind of cool, I guess. Alright, well, what is going to happen in 3 minutes? Will the market care what Mr. Fed says? We don't know. Let's see. We're about to find out very shortly. You guys are funny. I hate Twitter and social media in general, but it's like the whatchamacallit, derp, I can't talk. It's really fast on Twitter though for some reason with the FOMC minutes. It's like 1 second that shit's out. It's like, but how? All right, let's see. Taper tantrums. Well, let's see. Let us see. We're almost there. Isn't it so exciting? Stupid fucking Fed. Blech. I don't know if anyone actually likes the Fed. They're like, oh, the Fed is the best entity on the planet. Alright. Looks like we are stabilizing slowly. Just a lot of frames dropped in the beginning, but that's okay. We weren't really doing anything anyway. I don't know why that happens with freaking gig internet. It's ridiculous. Alrighty then, here we go. Imminent launch to 10,000 ES in T-minus 1 minute and 30 seconds. No, I'm just kidding. Just joking. We're about to see, though. I'm very curious what is going to be announced on this one, because there's just been, like we've talked about a lot, just odd charts and lots of things pointing to the whatchamacallit today in mid-June to this meeting. So let's see what goes down. It's almost over, and then quad witching is over, and then yay, we should get some direction stuff. Man, Hex got murder slapped. Not surprising when you get the founder bragging and boasting and putting 10 cents on the thumbnail of the video like we were talking about yesterday. That's probably a sign. So that did end up coming to fruition. I don't know if you can short Hex or anything anywhere, but yeah, I don't know. I haven't really looked into that. I don't really trade Hex. Let's see here. It's party time. It's party time. Woohoo! All right, let's see what the market likes. Apparently, it didn't like a little bit of the pre-announcement or something. I don't know what the hell, but a little dump. Oh, gosh. Well, there's a... Okay. Well, look at that instantly. Like I said, seconds, man. In freaking seconds. And this is why it's really dangerous to trade in Fed, because moves like this can literally just happen instantaneously. And let's see if this gets bid up. I'm very curious to see how this pans out. I don't know what they said, because the market already apparently gets the info in like a nanosecond before it hits. It's just like, god damn it. Where the hell is it? I don't know. Where's the best place to see? Of course, they're going to leave them unchanged. We know that. But what else are they going to say in this? Oh, well, looks like... Oh, did they mention something about tapering purchases? Because, oh, goodness. Them damn 30 points in like a minute right there. Let's see. That's getting crazy. You got to be careful whipsaws in this, though. I don't have any positions on right now. I'm just waiting. I like to let these moves digest a little bit to see what the market thinks about it. But I don't get the... Yeah, we know that. Yes, we know it's going to be unchanged. We know they're not going to raise yet. They might be raising at some point. But... Raises inflation to 3. Oh, of course. The dot plot shows 2 interest rate hikes in 2030. Dude, that's not even new info. You could have just looked at that like at any point in the last month, and that's been on there. We actually talked about that on the show not even that long ago, that the dot plot was showing that we're going to start hiking rates like after the midterm elections. So that's interesting. They're like, oh, yeah, that's some new information. It's like, no, it's not. Let's see here. A few oh, yeah, see, they're all just showing stuff that you already know. And, do I want to buy this? I don't know, maybe. I kind of do. But we're just going to wait here and just kind of digest it. Everyone's freaking out a little bit. Oh no! Oh no! Yeah, how funny, dude. Alright, let's see. Oh my god, come on. You can do it, computer. No. God, Telegram's spell check thing is pretty special. All right. Just, yeah, the initial reaction, a little bit of scaredness, but, I mean, nothing really too crazy here. Let's zoom out a little bit, see where we're at in higher time frames. Yeah, I mean, it's not that crazy. What are the other markets doing? I mean, the Dow is the one we were talking about yesterday that already just looked kind of shitty. And, man, if it does take out this 33.6 level, we will have a Dow theory sell signal on the markets. So that might be interesting if that actually comes to fruition today. Looks like a lot of people came in. We already got halfway up that candle. Yeah, that's interesting. Just kind of chilling here. We'll go through the rest of the list here in a little bit. I kind of started later than I wanted. I got home. It took a little longer to deal with the car place than I thought. But that's okay. Barely made it in time to see Dump Fest 2021. No, I'm just kidding. It's like not even that much. It's whatever. What is this? Yeah, it's like 30 points in 7 minutes. Well, we get continuation, though. Go away. Bounce on Bitcoin just a tad, so that's whatever. How about some FANG stocks? What are they doing? Facebook's selling off a little bit. Yeah, it's whatever, though. They're all still in the stupid ranges. It's like, oh, cool. Infinite range bound them. Let's see. Yeah, nothing really going on. I mean, they're just mentioning the dot plot thing crap again. Like, we were already talking about that. Like, that's not new news. What, like, people think that that's new. Like, oh, look at this. We're looking at the dot plots when we changed it. And it's like, yeah, that's public information that you can look at any day of the week. So, let's see. Inflation higher on trends. Yeah, that's pretty much what everybody already thought. They're gonna buy bonds until substantial further progress on goals, whatever the shit that means. They don't know. Maintaining asset transitory factors on inflation. Rate change next year. Yep. That's all was in the dot plot already. We already know that. We were talking about that a week or two ago when we pulled up the dot plots that, midterm election time, that they're going to probably start raising the rates. I think after like 2022 or early 2023, it was pretty much every single one of the members were saying that we're going to be like, 1.5% or somewhere around there. 1 point something. Yeah, so whatever. What did Dixie do? Let's go look at Dixie. What's that dollar doing? Pumping it up. So euro dumping a little bit. Yep. What else? What's gold doing? Gold's flat. Interesting. No effect on that. All right. I like that. I might put on some gold trades today because I didn't get filled on GDX yesterday. I was trying to get filled on a little call spread, but it never filled my order. You bastard. Yeah, looks like we're just getting bid back up off this. Yeah, I'm not really. Yep. Cool. How epic, right? A bunch of shit we already kind of knew. Isn't that awesome, guys? Wow. Yay. All right, let's see if we can get back up in this box, though. That would be a deciding factor for some, whatchamacallit. Possible maybe getting long here, because we do have that good support at 42 hundos, right around there. You can see we just kind of came right to that daily 21, the top end of this range. Oh, whereas the weekly's also right there on the 10 simple. Let's see on the 850. Yeah, right to the mama and 55. Okay. This is a little bit heavy on this one. If it closes like that, we still got a few hours, but yeah, pretty much nothing. Doesn't look like the market really cares. Just a little fucking overreaction crap and like, oh my god, they're gonna rake heights someday. Watch out. Well, not really anything that cool there. Yeah, stupid. Yeah. Yeah, in 2023. Yeah, so they're going to probably. Yeah, that's that shit. Like, I don't know, remember what video that was, but it was at least probably 2 weeks ago now that we pulled up the dot plots and for the Fed funds, and it's like, of course, I mean, you can't stay zero forever. Of course, they're going to raise it and probably induce another sell off like they did before. See if it can stabilize here above 4,200. That's pretty much the level that it needs to kind of hang out at, or I'd be looking for some further downside, maybe into like the mid 4150s. It's funny, that's what everybody's posted in some chats I'm in. Everybody's like, "Oh, dot plots, dot plots," and it's like, does no one look at those? It's like, oh, cool. Shocker. Who cares? It's like, duh, we're gonna go up at some point. Got to get all that free money first, though, right? Damn, MJNA is not doing very good for today. Ooh, shit. Ooh, getting close for me to take this off. I did start with a really small position, though, on this guy. Because, I mean, it's a penny stock, so I like to already be small in these, but going right up to the 200 is like, oh, okay. We'll wait a little bit. I might add to it later this week, but Can has been doing good. I do like that one. Let's go to top traded stocks. What are they doing? Nothing really. Banks doing all right. Oh, let's go to sectors. That'd be better. Let's see what sectors doing. Pretty much flat and slightly down. What? Housing? Oh, damn. What's happening with housing? Shit, damn. Well, this is kind of surprising. Housing is continuing to sell off here. This is like a breakdown from this structure. Let's look on the weekly. Man, yeah, this is interesting. Damn, is the housing market finally going to cool off a little bit? It's absolute insanity down here in Austin, but I don't think that's unique. I think that's kind of like everywhere across the, not maybe the planet, but definitely the U.S. What are bond stuff doing? TNX popping. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I know my buddy is in Montana, and it's like the same thing there. It's just absolute insanity with housing prices. Hell, even my friends bought a house about 45 minutes out of Austin, and it's like in the country boondocks, and they told me how much they paid for like it was like an acre and a mobile home, and it's just like, damn, out there. I mean, it's cool and all that, you know, and it's still way cheaper than here, but just relative to what that price was not too long ago, it's just kind of like, wow. But yeah, nothing, no momentum yet. Kind of accepting prices down here so far. See what happens. Can it hold 42 hundo? If it doesn't hold 42 hundo, I'd probably be looking for moves into the mid 41s, like 4150-ish, 4130-ish. Obviously, the next spot is that 4180 area, of that previous OPEX level where we had lots of pivot points. And actually, we kind of just had one right here, almost at it. It went right above the 4180 handle. We're like at 4190, but right before it went into it. So, Bull's defending that again. So that is interesting. I do think if we take this out and get into the 4180s, we probably will get some further downside on that, because that's a very important level there. We'll see what happens here. Yeah, losing some of my gains in some stocks today. It's all the Fed's fault. This is a decent. Let's see if this candle can close above here. Oh, wow. It's like literally right at 42, this wick right here. Aww. So, or shadow, sorry. Or tail. It's so funny everyone's throwing around that dot plot thing. I guess no one looked at it until today. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, a little bit lower there, a little tick lower. Let's see here. So I do kind of want to possibly enter in some long action here, but I just want to see how this market's taking this. Is everybody going to get a little tantrum because, oh God, they're going to raise rates in 2 years? Is everybody going to freak out about that? I mean, they didn't say anything else. They're going to keep buying shit, supporting the market. They're not tapering. I don't even think they mentioned anything about tapering, so it's like, who cares? Right? All right. Very few tangent. Blah, blah, blah. Crackhead market. Yeah, everybody. Dot plot, dot plot. Yeah, we already know that they're going to raise rates. Blah, blah. All right, who cares about this? I'm done with this shit. I don't care anymore about this crap. We just... Dude, charts, see, the charts, man, it already got that shit baked in. It really does. All right, let's start up here with the real market, Bitcoin. No, I'm just kidding. A little sell-off, kind of just still in this little symmetrical triangle. Lots of pressure, just still range-bound. There's nothing new about this chart. Same with that one. Let's just go to Mama Bear. Mama Bear rolling off the Mama line, so that's not that surprising. We are kind of looking for that yesterday. Getting some follow-through. This is a little bit of an ugly candle right here, but we're finding barely some support on this wick and on this little intermediate trend line. And so if we can kind of stabilize here, maybe it's okay, but anything back below this horizontal at like 37.5-ish, I would look for probably retesting the mid-30s and maybe even lower, but yeah, this candle is kind of ugly right here on this time frame. What's the daily looking like? Yeah, I mean, that, man, 21. Bulls better defend the shit out of this right here. Let's see here. 2-day, I think, closes today. Nope. Oh, we got the 2-day and 3-day close tomorrow, so that'll be interesting. But yeah, Bulls definitely need to defend that 37, mid-37,000 range. Oops, that's not what we want to look at. This one. Looks, maybe, is this a buying opportunity on Bitcoin, possibly? Man, I don't know. I'm not going to take it. I'm not real confident. Usually I like trend lines better when they have 3 touches. Now, this could be the 3rd touch that's in the making, but we don't know if it is yet because it's not been confirmed. For confirmation of a touch, we need like another close on this time frame above like 40,600. That is, not like 46,000. But yeah, right now, kind of a little bit ugly start there. Let's see. Some of my eyeball. Ooh. Oh, yeah. So cannabis is good. What the hell just ate up my gains today? I don't even know. What the hell? MJ, those all look the same. Yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, they're small anyway. Like, it's tiny, mostly flat. I'm really light in the markets at the moment. All right, let's see here. All right, let's just keep going down the list here. Oh, we're breaking 4,200. We'll catch up to the markets again in a second. Futures also getting rejected from the daily 21, so yeah, not super sexy. Again, that 37,000 handle, very important. Ethereum, yeah, getting rejected. I mean, this is bearish reset kind of shit right here. Lower highs, kind of even-ish lows, but I mean, it doesn't look great. Still does not look good. Oh yeah, this is kind of rejection stuff right here. Look at that, right down the mama. Has worked its way all the way down over the last few days. And now we are at a major support, 24 hundies. So better hold here. We lose this body on this kind of 2400 or upper 23s. I do think we'll come back and test the lower end of this range here. And maybe even all the way to the 200 simple on this. What are futures saying? Yeah, futures look pretty terrible. Look at all this rejection for the last week at the 55 exponential. Like, this is not good. This is not a pretty chart. Oh yeah, this is pretty ugly. This looks like bearish reset right here. This smells exactly bearish reset action. So man, there might be some pressure coming in on cryptos here. Litecoin, same thing, but it's stuck between the long-term moving averages. So I really hate on a daily time frame, especially. I really hate when that's the case. It's just like blah. Anything back below this 160 area, I'd be looking for at least 10 to 20 bucks lower, and maybe down here to the bottom end of the range in the 120s. So that's pretty brutal. ETC getting rejected again. I mean, this is about to get a reset as well. Let's see on the lower time frames. Yeah, it's stuck between the long-term MAs. Bulls had a chance to get in. They got rejected the whole time, and now bears have regained dominance on this candle. So this thing just got pretty bearish below 57 bucks. Looks like we're kind of getting the same type of candle structure across the board. Now, it is noteworthy that we're right on the bottom end of these ranges, but I mean, you've got lower highs on most of these and flat lows. So that kind of spells descending triangle, which is generally bearish. Still ugly chart on XLM. I mean, yeah, a daily close below this 31.5 area probably makes new lows if we do that. It's not looking very sexy. Damn it, Bobby. Bulls not getting no love today. Dot trying to get it going, but look what happened. It didn't even allow it to reset. It was looking a little bit better yesterday on this pump, but this was a very aggressive pump. You know, it's almost straight up. So all that, whatever, I don't know, somebody mentioned that Elon tweeted some bullshit that, oh, we're going to take it again now for payments on Tesla and this and that. It's like, dude, that guy can literally get away with market murder, and the SEC would probably give him a job. Can it get caught like right here about in the 22 handle? Yeah, there's a little bit of support there for sure. Yeah, most definitely about 22.30, 22.50. Anything below that, we probably come back and test the stupid bottom end of this range. I mean, there's just not much here. Same shit, different day for a long time. Daily in between 200 and 377. I mean, this is still very bearish on everything. You have nothing that's bullish on the daily on this chart for Link. Weekly has lost its momentum too so far. I mean, a lot of these on the weekly, the best thing you can make is that they're trying to base on the mamas and the 55 weekly exponential, but that's like about all that we've got right now. And we start breaking those on the weeklies, I mean, you're talking that's starting to get pretty bearish. That starts to really lean like in the more bearish mode than we're kind of in just like this neutral zone right now. EOS, yeah, wow, rejection from, I mean, this looks like continuation to the downside. Let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, I mean, anything back below this 460 area, we're probably looking at coming back and testing this little cluster right here. Bulls tried to get in, but now they're already getting rejected. Back into power zone too. I mean, this is total reset. This is bearish reset stuff right here. kind of across the board. ADA, yeah, same shit. Wow. All right, well, what is ES doing? Is it still selling off? No, it's trying to base around that 42. That's a pretty formidable area between like 41. I'm sorry, about 42, give or take about like 10, 15 points. That's a pretty decent floor for the intermediate term on ES. Let's keep going down this chart. Yeah, rolling down, rejection. So far, reset again. I mean, we're seeing almost the exact same posturing across the board here. 550 is still the floor on this guy. Anything below 550, we probably test the bottom end of the range, and I do think we probably make a new low if we did close a daily below that. And that's going to kind of hold true, not the 550 part, but just against the structure to the left on most of these pairs. BSV, yeah, I mean, at the bottoms, like, are these going to be opportunities? Man, maybe. I don't know. I'm not going to try it. I don't like these reset reads on the 458 time frames. I do not like those. That is not sexy price action. Not by any stretch. Man. And like the dailies are still very dominant on the bears. Monero's trying to hold up a little bit. Kind of a micro intermediate high here from this structure, but and I guess you do have a higher low, so yeah, I mean, Monero's okay, I guess, as long as it's holding kind of this 240 handle. It looks all right, but man, with everything else, just hey, look, actually, you know, look, Monero is not flipped. Like everything else has the bears back in the power zone. You know, maybe Monero just has a little bit of relative strength for this move, but I mean, like you can see this clear boxed range right here. So it needs to really hold the lower 240s, which is where this horizontal is. Yeah, this is nothing really there. ZC's flat today. Come on. Come on. Yeah, just grossness. There's just no edge, man. There's just... Unless you're using pure price action, otherwise we'd all be rich. Oh, no, don't you do it. Don't you be dropping frames. I just saw you do a little drippity drop there. Don't you be doing that. Still getting rejected from this 200 daily and the 21, which, I mean, you can see it's been rejected this whole time. Price comes up to it, so... Yeah, not great. Dash, not great either. Just more of the same crap. Man, Dash breaks 154. It's probably going to test these lows on this tail here. I mean, look at this weak attempt by the bulls. Look at this weak sauce. Super weak sauce. I mean, yeah, that can change, but as of right now, it's super weak sauce. Doge, what are you doing, Doji? Ooh, breaking underneath the 55. I mean, on the SAT pairing, you got mid 700s is probably the line of defense there. Oh, God, yeah, this is just not, just not pretty charts here, man. Oh, shit, man. Wow, Doge did just engulf on this candle here. Just took out all the body lows of the last... almost week, so that's not good. So Doge actually looks pretty heavy below 32 pennies now. Almost getting reset. Daily still pretty dominant for the bears, and not quite regaining dominance on the lower time frames, but man, it is barely holding on. Hex dumping off of here. Oh my god, this is just I gotta go look to see if you can like trade Hex on the short side, but yeah, not too surprising. We were talking about yesterday. This thing is probably gonna sell off today because Richard's sitting here bragging about how amazing it is that it hit almost 10 cents, and you should suck his dick and bow down to him. The sucking the dick part is probably a little bit of an exaggeration, but the bow down part was not. He literally said that. It's like, these coins and everybody needs to bow down to me. It's like, what, dude? Whatever. Whatever. I don't hate Richard Hart or anything, but it's just kind of like, I don't like that kind of attitude. All right, Bitty Bits, what are you doing? Or sorry, yes. Oh, okay, okay. Doing a little doji style, but we're still making lower tails on the last few candles. Oh, man, I have not been sleeping very good. Yeah, interesting. We're not being able to get back up in this box, though, guys. Look at this. We've gotten rejection candles every attempt so far, so that is noteworthy. See if this 3 hour closes below it, too, because if this 3 hour closes, I mean, that's chopping pretty much all or most of June's price action up. NASDAQ, what you doing? Yeah, kind of just chilling. It was just testing these highs, but now... See, this is the concern that we've been talking about a lot on this rally, is there's just no momentum building at all. Like, ES, even, like, no momentum. I mean, look at this. Actually, momentum has been going down on the bears and the bulls as the market's been rallying, so this is very indecisive. Oh, man, this is almost about to give us... it's literally only a couple hundred points away, and it does need to close below it, so... If this thing does... Man, even closing below the mama like this is not very good. Let's see what the rut's doing. Dow Jones, Trans is rolling over too. Whew, wow. Which the Dow Jones already has the first part of the signal for a Dow theory sell side, but it just needs the one of the majors to take out a previous low, which we're damn close to doing with the Dow index. Let's see. Momentum may be chilling out a little bit here. Let's see, what is VIX doing? VIX a little spiky McSpikeson. Coming right up to the top end of this range, though. I wouldn't be surprised if that kind of just fades out here. Man, VIX gets back above like 19 bucks, though. This thing will probably run pretty hard. We were seeing that on VVIX, too, on the lower time frames. A few days ago, kind of giving us a little hint that vol was going to pop. So we got a little bit of that. But so far, kind of rejecting it. Oil's kind of selling off here. Yeah, you got this vol flashing. Look at this. This is 2 days that we're about to print with historical vol being 0 read at the top of a range, and that is generally not the best sign. Let's go look at some previous examples. Let's see, we got one right here. Look at that, at the exact top right there. This one missed it. It actually kept rallying on this one. So, yeah, I mean, this isn't really a directional thing. You just have to take in consideration where it is relative to price action to the left. So let's see, this one actually hit a signal for that. What else? Same here. I mean, it had a little bit of a little juice left in it before rolling over. Regardless, though, of all these signals, most of them are down when they're at the top of the range, except for that one. But regardless of that, there is lots of big moves that happen. Yeah, look at that. Almost every single time there's a big move within the week, or this one had 2 different ones, but literally 2 out of the, well, it looks about like a 30% or something like that. And I'm just roughly really looking at that. I'm not going deep diving on that info right now. Let's see. Yeah, pretty ugly though. I already am out of energy anyway, but yeah, because this is seems a little bit frothy. We're almost trying to get into the power zone from the bulls, but again, just like indices, we're just not. There's no dominant force, even though price is going up. It's kind of shocking that even with all these highs, that oil has been unable to get up into the power zone on DMI. So let's see, what else do we got? Let's go to precious metals and dollar action. Bonds just chilling. ZN actually selling off a little bit there. Not quite breaking structure, but getting damn close. TNX rally. Dollar coming right up to the underbelly of this trend line. Will it fade here? There is quite a bit of resistance in the low 91 handle. So that could definitely be a thing. Am I going to short some dollar? I don't know about that. What was that alert? No long signals there. All right, let's go to gold and silver because I'm curious. We might be getting opportunity for that. Oh, yeah, gold continued to sell off a little bit. Okay. Let's see GDX. What is it doing? Okay. You know what? I'm probably going to... Man, it can get better price today. I actually am probably going to nibble on some GDX here. I got this. I like this Mama daily support. The 200's right here. The 55 is right here. Little cluster before the rally. Let's zoom in a tad. Weekly right on the 21. Or sorry, 3-day on the 21. Oh, weekly's on the 21 as well. Interesting spot for Mama, though. Wow, even more interesting on the 2-day. It's way down here at 17. All right, let's see. I'm going to go to GDX. GDX. Probably go to August. What else we got? Man, July's only 30 days. Yeah, I don't want to have to worry about it within the next couple weeks. Let's see here. Yeah, same posturing. This is the gold bug index. It's pretty much what GDX mimics. Let's get my chart tools back up here. We got a little kind of a trend line. Oh, yeah, okay, I like this. All right, so... Yeah, so we're definitely going to do a little bit of... I better try to get this filled. Staten Island. Let's see, we'll do that. We got this target range is 42. So we can probably do the 38 and then sell the... They start getting wide up here. The 45. That's what we want to do. Can also just sell a put. How much can I get for the put? $1.87. Shit, that's not bad. Where does that put me? $1.87. About $2 lower. Huh, that's actually not too shabby. Like risk reversal this thing. Let's see. If I did that, bam. So we'll do 38. What's this upper range? 44. Yeah, I gotta go higher than that. We're gonna need to go to 60. Nah, shit, that's not enough. They just start getting really wide up in around the 44s. A little wider than I want them to be. Transmit, bro. I'm just going to do a small spread on that, or at least attempt to get filled on it. Let's see what happens. We'll do mid-price. No? Give me a little... quick little dumpy McDumpson real fast. Fill that order. It's right at mid price. You can do it. All right, let's go back to ES. Man, still struggling to get up back into that box. Damn. Man. Uh-oh. Just give me the fill. There it is. They just hit me with it. All right. Damn. All right. Well, shitty. Yes. Okay. Just sell it off then. Don't want to buy right here and then stop out at like 41.90. Let's see. Yeah, everyone's just talking about the shit we already knew. All right, is this... Oh, is this it? Oh, man, I kind of want to buy right here. Just know if people are going to be getting scared about this stupid rate hike thing that we already knew about. Probably not. You just never know, man. All right, sweet. Got filled on that August. Dealio. Let's see if we can hold up right here. Let's go use the market profile part, see if there's business done down here. No, not really. Point of control is still way up here at 42.36, so that's kind of interesting. Looks like it's trying to stabilize around here. For now, what time is it? Holy crap, it's already 1:43? Wait, what? Huh? What? Is that right? Is my computer right? I guess so. Why does it say I've only been live for 15 minutes? That doesn't make any sense. Because clearly I've been live since 1 o'clock, which would be 40 minutes, not 16 minutes. Did it disconnect or something? Huh. I don't know. That's weird. All right. What's it going to do? What you going to do? What you going to do, ES? Let's see if we're getting kind of the same posturing over here. Let's go 3 hour over. Losing it on ES. Or on, man. Oh, crap. Hold on, Dow. Don't you do it, man. Don't you do it. You can see point of controls have been migrating lower and lower. All right, let's take that off. Clean up the chart a little bit. Uh-oh. 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 I'm just waiting. I do want to buy down here though, but I gotta get confirmation. 410 puts. Okay. And the 410 puts on SPY. Okay. Yeah, my friend sold some 410 puts. What pick did I post? Did I post a pick? Huh, I didn't think I did. Oh, this. Oh, come on. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, my buddy that reads internals is saying he's starting to see some sell programs hitting NASDAQ pretty hard right now. Let's go look at it. Oh, shit. Yep, he ain't lying. Yeah, that guy's a beast. He does lots of coding and algo stuff. Ooh, damn, he ain't lying. That's a pretty ugly-ass candle. Dang. Dang. Shit, what is that off the highs now? 1 1/3%, a little more. But it's just coming right back to the 10 simple and 21, so it's like not that crazy. The previous high, the bottom of this little cluster, so I mean, it's not super crazy yet. If we look at it on the weekly, it's like nothing. Yeah, it doesn't even look like shit on the weekly. This 3 hour, though, that's pretty nasty. That is pretty nasty. Let's go back to ES. Let's watch that ES. Boy, dang. All right, well, in low time frames, the 10 simple is governing price right now. So I'm going to hold off for that long idea for a hot minute. See, man, yeah, even Russell just closed all the new bodies too. So let's see, man. Oh, what's going on? Who is that? What's up, Mr. Rob? How are you doing today, sir? Welcome, welcome. Not much is going on. We're just watching the market freak out about rate hikes, which that was already on the freaking stupid plot. Like, we talked about it on the show a couple weeks ago, so I don't know why everyone's freaking out about that. I guess Daddy had to say it. Daddy Powell had to come from his mouth. Oh, because I can't go look on the FOMC website. I need the Daddy to tell me what to do. Some big sell programs. Will they get follow through though? I don't know. We're just kind of chilling here. Is gold? What's gold doing? Ooh, 33. Gold's selling off a little bit more. That's dang gold. $30 and 15, 20, or about an hour. Dang, 1.5% move on gold. Ouch. Ouch. Will it get some support here? Probably a little bit. I mean, there is real good support, too, in the upper 17s. So I'm just starting to nibble on a little bit of gold and metals, but via GDX, though, not via actual gold. Look at this little bouncy McBouncin' so far. In the hole. Alright, let me pull this up. MEM. Do that. Do that. No, dude. Not the June contract. God, I can't wait for those June contracts to go away. It's like, dude, no one's trading that anymore. Where is the... Where's the... What? The what? Oh, what is going on here? Why does it say that? Hold up. Hold up. I don't know why I'm not seeing... What contract is this on? This must be on like a... Hold up. I gotta change this. This is the continuous, but they get funny right at quad witching. It's like... Let me see here. Most people aren't going to be in June. Most people are going to be on the September contract. So I guess that's the one that was plotting. How come on my other broker it shows a completely different price? What's going on there? That is really weird. It's showing 42. I don't have delayed, do I? No, I'm live. It's showing 42, and I got 41.95. What's going on here? Huh. That's weird. Yeah, September. Yeah, I got like a 5-point discrepancy between... Let me go look at my other broker. Yeah, why is Interactive Broker showing that? That's really odd. Because TOS doesn't show that. And... Huh. Yeah, the funky week of quad witching. It's almost just best to barely or not even trade during that week, which is this week now, because it's only 4 weeks a year, so it's like kind of whatever. All right, let's see here. Let's go look at some other stuff, because that's boring me. Blockchain MicroStrategy, nothing. Riot, nothing. Coinbase, rolling over. Dude, Coinbase, it might almost be fair to use Coinbase as a proxy for Bitcoin right now to indicate like some upside until this thing can get back, or actually not get back, just get over the 21 daily EMA. Probably safe to assume that Bitcoin ain't doing shit until that happens. Same with GBDC here. What has been moving today? Let's go look at FinViz. Oh my God, nothing. Wow. Okay, so this is the first time in a while we've seen a fully red heat map here. So that's interesting. That doesn't bode well for me wanting to get long on this market here. That's very interesting. Is that just because this is... Hold up. I bet you... Is there that much discrepancy? There is. Wow. I've never seen that much of a discrepancy in the micro contracts versus the spot contract. That's the difference. That's what I had loaded on Interactive Brokers. That's what the difference was. And so that's this contract here. You can see... Nope, actually. It's not. What the hell is going on with Interactive Brokers? This is fucking weird. I don't know, man. I'm really confused about that. Stupid quad witching. Whatever. What are you gonna do? Now it's a little bit more in line. Man, but for a second there was like 5-point spread on that. Damn, I guess the bots just arbed it out. Of course they would do that. Man, so still getting that pressure. And this is interesting. This is not something to ignore, that most everything is down today. Schwab, banks are up. I mean, not all the banks. Citi is down freaking almost 4%. What the hell, Citigroup? What are you doing with your life? Holy shit. What the hell? What's going on with Citigroup? Huh? That's a little bit surprising. We need to go look at the financials list. What's going on there? Let's go look at some of the majors. Yeah, Wells Fargo has a rounded top on the daily. Morgan Stanley isn't as terrible, but kind of like a little bit of one. PNC is making lower lows, lower highs. KRE's been flat as hell. This is Regional Bank ETF. It's been flat since early March. Same with KBE showing, man, whoa, huh. Let's add to the confusion. Whoa, JPM, what are you doing? JPM's down. Damn, that's kind of surprising. Dude, yeah, Citigroup's is the really big surpriser. What the hell? Yeah, wow. That's very, very interesting. Yeah, the Bears might be getting some legs here. Nothing on there. Let's see what it no, didn't get no love there. What's energy doing? Flatten out. Yeah, look at these energy stocks. Just kind of rolling over. What's XOM doing? Well, it's just kind of flat. This looks fine. XOM looks pretty good, above 62 bucks. How about the Clown World stocks? What are they doing? Mostly down. Yeah, mostly down. Wolf giving it up. I mean, wow, Wolf gave up all its gains in the last 2 days. Look at that. Oh, see, when I got all excited about missing the trade, I didn't buy any or FOMO or nothing. There's no way in hell I would FOMO this to pretty much all-time highs on this guy, except for the, initial IPO date or direct listing. I don't know how they did it, but whatever. Just gave all that shit up. GME, yeah, pretty brutal. Wow, it's down damn 30%. Cost, AMC. AMC still trying to stay bid up here, almost doing like a freaking ascending triangle at all-time highs. Oh my god, what the fuck? Fizz chilling over here. Somebody wanted me to look at that yesterday. Hey, if you wanted to put risk on Fizz, this is probably the better place to do it. I'm not going to be doing it, but on the daily, right on top of the 200 in this consolidation zone. Let's see. Oh, what is that signal? What are you trying to tell me, Mr. Market? NASDAQ, there's some rallying. Oh, yeah, you got to be careful on these Fed days that these moves get just completely reversed in your face. And it looks like we might be getting the first setups for that. Yeah, it does look like that. Let's see here. Because I do want to buy some, of this dip right here. I'm not going to lie. Buy the effing dip, man. Every time. No matter how much it is. You just buy it. Anyone in here buying dips today? Anybody? Yeah, maybe? Yes? No? Possibly? Let's go back to here and we can put on the market profile mimicker. Let's see. A little bit more business kind of being accepted down here. Let's see here. All right, all right. Okay. What's the Dow doing? Bouncing off the low end of the range. You want to buy? You want to buy some dips? Yeah, well, might be getting them here. The bank chart I just pulled up, though, that's a little bit concerning. I didn't realize that banks were dumping like this. I mean, this is kind of crazy. Like, what the hell? What's going on with Citigroup and like JPM and stuff? I mean, those guys are monsters, and look where they're getting rejected too, from right before the Corona crash. So, very interesting chart. Yeah, that's pretty ugly, especially if this week closes below like 60, below 70 bucks. Man, it's pretty ugly. All right, let's go back to ES. Oh. City only shows down 3%. Yeah, you're probably just looking at the day. I'm talking overall structure, like from the highs. It's down 13%, dude, from barely a week ago. Look at this, just from last week. This is crazy. This is I'm looking at, you're probably just looking at today. I don't care about just one intraday move. I'm looking at the big one, like Citigroup, JPM, like all these guys are down like a lot from their highs, and they're all like right at Corona. Oh, not this one. Sorry. Citigroup was. I'm sorry. Citigroup is right there where it's been flat. Look at this. 1, 2, 3 taps, and it keeps rolling over. Very interesting. I don't know. What's that XLF look like? Yeah, even XLF has rolled over in the last week. It's off about 5%, a little less than 5% off its highs. Huh. Yeah, that's, you think banks would like that they're going to be hiking rates possibly later? I guess not. I guess not. Let's see what some of my other buddies said. I mentioned it in another one. Oh, he just talked about the fly. Whatever. I don't care about that. Yeah, you're just looking at the intraday moves. Oh, we finally got a close above here. All right, so now maybe I'll buy a dip. If we can dip a little closer to 42, I might nibble on that one. We'll see what happens. What's Bitcoin doing? Let's go see. Mama Bears still kind of selling off. Let me take off this dang little profile thing. Jamming my chart up, bruh. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin better hold and create this trend line, an actual official one with 3 touches. It's even kind of like a channel a little bit, too. We can do like this, you know, a little bit out. It's not actually really a channel. It like kind of looks like one, but that's not that far up. Keeping it as the trend line. I don't like this candle though, like we talked about earlier in the stream. I don't like this candle here. And my time shit is broke over here on my live. I've been live for 34 minutes, it says. What does my video say like online if I pull that up? Because clearly that's incorrect. Let me see if I pull it up, far up. Yeah, see it says an hour online if I pull the video up, but OBS is only telling me I've been online for 34 minutes. What the hell, OBS? Get your shit together. Yeah, Bitcoin, bleh, don't like that. This daily close. This daily better not close below the 21. Or I think that's not going to be sexy. No, sir. All right, back over here to ES because we need to watch this, see if it's going to get some weakness here. What are you looking to buy over there, Mr. Rob? Also, do you ever short stuff, Rob? A lot of people don't short. They think it's like bad juju or something. I don't know. It's kind of funny. It's like, no, it's just part of the market. You need both sides. Oh, man. Do I want to take like a straight shot on gold here? Like via GLD or something? Or maybe even futures? Do I want to do that? Do I want to do that, bro? Let me go look at the daily. Dang. Dang, I kind of do. Can I take it down? Man, I don't know if I want to. I don't know if I want to take risk to 1790 though. $40. It's not the sexiest thing. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Oh, sundial? Yeah, sundial looked okay. Let's see, we can go look at it real quick. Just be careful with some of the speculative stocks like that, because if the market is actually going to roll over here, won't be very nice for weed stocks. Man, hemp, though. Hemp is a garbage-ass fucking stock, whatever. TRTC, whoa, shit, TRTC. Pump Fest 3000, dude. Nice. Zion getting a little bit of love today. Nothing too crazy. Let's go look at Sundial, though. Sundial's up here. Yeah, Sundial's okay. It's okay. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of this taking out all the EMAs here after yesterday, and this weekly is real sloppy. 2 day. I mean, I guess if you had to buy something and you wanted to get some sundial, as long, I mean, yeah, 75 cents though is pretty far from where we are now. That's a lot of risk. Yeah, it's not my favorite chart out of the weed stocks. I think there's some better ones, but you know, whatever. If you like it, get it in, brother. Get it in. It's all good. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we're making our way back up to the box. Can we get it? Did eyes pop today? Oh, son of a bitch. Let's go look at it. Hey, it sure did. About 11%. Man, this is starting to build up a nice daily, though, on this guy. Another couple days, we're going to get a real good confirmed long signal, and then it'll turn into dip buying mode probably by the end of this week, as long as we stay above about 660. So, yeah, it got it on the 3 hour, but man, the 3 hours in between, man, I hate when shit's between the 200 and 377. Let's see. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, ES, there you go. There you go. Little pumpy pump. Everyone got scared. Oh my God, watch out. They're going to hike rates in 2 years. Ah. Who would have known that? Oh, wait, you could have just pulled up the FOMC plot chart. Oh, how crazy. And if you don't know where that is, let me show you real quick if you ever want to look at this. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. Where are you? Where are you? Oh man, where the hell is it? They never make this stuff easy to find. The dot plot. Thought I had saved it somewhere. It's so funny, dude, that they're talking about this shit, man. Yeah, look, even there's a Bloomberg article 3 days ago that's talking about it, but apparently today it's like, oh, God. Watch out. Oh, my God, I don't care about that either. Don't care about that one. Is that the buzzword today? Dot plot, dot plot, dot plot. I'm just seeing it like all over the place. It's like I can't even find the damn thing because it's just flooded by just news articles from today. Oh, that's hilarious. Really? None? Really? Really? Oh, what? Fedcast? What is that? Is that just like... I don't know. All right, there you go. A little rally bouncing. Okay, okay. Okay. Let's see if we can actually get back in this box here. Not looking too shabby. Bitty Bitcoin, what are you doing? Are you still hovering on the trend line? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Man, bitty bits. All right. Well, I'm glad that stupid crap's out of the way. Funny that it just told us stuff that we already knew anyway. Buy programs are about to be firing off. Is this what we're seeing? It's like, oh yes, F you, stupid shorts. Don't fight me. I am the Fed. Yeah, all right. There you go. Everything is awesome. Everything is awesome about the team. Everything is awesome. Puh. Gross. Alright, let's close that. Don't care about that. Can we get some continuation? This is a pretty violent little updraft here, kind of pretty much reversing most of the Fed, and this is exactly what I was talking about earlier when the dump happens, and it happens in like 30 seconds or whatever. You can really see that if we go to like a minute chart. You can see literally like 1 minute that all that happens. But a lot of times these get reversed, man. Like this is just almost, it's probably the majority of the time these get reversed. So yet again, it happens. Now we're back in the box. So that's pretty good for DOS Bulls. How about the heat map? Do we get a little bit colder? Yeah, a little bit. A little bit. It's not all red like it was earlier, so... What's this little green one? Host hotels and resorts? Whatever. Who cares about that? There's a bright green one. Centene Corporation and healthcare. Damn, they popped hard today. Schwab up 2%. God, that place is garbage. Terrible broker. All right, well, now the question is, will this be sustained after getting back in the box and coming right back up to the Fed candle right here? So it's just a quick dump and pump so far. See if we get any love on that. Meanwhile, let's go see what's going on our equity watch list. All right. Oh, my God. Look at this. GTT. Pumping it up again. All right. Hey, maybe bulls are actually going to defend the $2 area. Pretty nice. Yeah, this one was a beautiful chart. Eyes. Yeah, we already looked at that one. Oh, look at that. DigitalOcean breaking out. Very nice chart on DigitalOcean. This thing is getting pretty damn bullish above like 44 bucks. Oh, man, Powell looks really good. This thing just creeping up, man. And the risk on this is pretty easily managed, about 10%-ish. That's pretty nice. Yeah, this one's busted. IDEX is broke down. On the weekly, I guess it's okay as long as it's holding kind of right here around 250. But, yeah, I don't like when you take out all the EMAs like this on the daily. That's generally not great. Lionsgate Films. Yeah, nothing really there. Man, PMD holding above like mid sevens actually looks pretty ripe for a run to maybe $9. Wow, weekly's yeah, wow. Weekly's even agreeing with that above that same mid 7 area. A little bit higher risk. I wonder if there is options on that. I'm gonna go look because that's interesting. PM Dizzle. Nope, no options. So you gotta go straight stock on that, which, whatever, it's $7. I might nibble on this guy. I'll zoom in on the 3 hour. Oh, it's not very traded, though. What is it? Oh, God, small stock. Yep, I might Renege that. If I use really small position. Yeah, this one's steadily been climbing. Found this one a while ago, but didn't put any money into it. But man, it's just been going nice. Perfect 45-degree line up. Just doesn't really get more sexy than that. Dude, if this thing can break 9 to 80-ish, it probably is going to pop pretty hard. Is this all-time highs? Almost, besides when it opened up at about $13 on its initial offering. So maybe getting a run up to like 12-ish is probably in the cards here shortly. Fubo kind of looking a little bit weak there. Blink 182, nothing. Match, nothing. Marimed, nothing. How about some big dumper? Oh, God. Well, there's a big dumper. We found one. We found it. All right, what is that? 4206. Okay. Resin, Atom. Atom might be good right here. If it holds like 2150. Atom's not too bad. And it's got plenty of volume on it. Man, this one's almost set. This is a little bit early. The EMAs aren't quite there, but the oscillators are all pretty good, and it's just really hovering around this 350 zone. So that's not too shabby. Not too shabby. Ooh, this one, CMC, Celio Waste Group. Is this one traded? Yeah, got plenty of volume on there. What do they do? Diesel, renewable diesel refining? Huh. Sounds interesting. I don't know. It sounds kind of gimmicky. But I do kind of like this chart, though. About 20% all the way to the low. Conservative, though, is about 5%. Like, yeah, because if it took out this 82-cent level, it's probably going to get hit pretty hard. But not too bad on that one. Let's see here. Nope. 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 Mid-channel buy? Nah, I don't like when EMAs get sliced up like that. Not that sexy. Could easily come down to 88, 90 bucks. Maybe there it might be attractive on Blizzard Activision. Qubits? What's Qubits doing? Qubits might still be working its way up to 10 bucks here. It doesn't have the EMAs yet, but the oscillators are pretty damn bullish on this. Man, does this have options on it? Let me go look. I'm going to go look. Probably not. No, it does not. No options. Is it pretty liquid? Oh, not very. Not very. But it looks terrible. Well, I mean, there's somebody in here trading it. Probably doesn't look great on the 7-minute. No. I mean, but there's something in there. If you didn't put a whole shit ton of money in there, you'd probably be all right. What do they do? Oh, yeah, quantum computing stuff. Interesting, though. Basing pattern. I do kind of like this chart. It's got a little bit of higher risk because you really kind of have to be able to take it probably down to this mid-5 levels. So a little bit more than I usually like to take, but yeah, and even on the 3-hour, it's showing the same thing, too, so you can adjust the risk with that, smaller position sizing, maybe just wait too, maybe get some little chop while these EMAs reset, maybe get it in the lower 6s. That would be a lot more attractive to me. So I might be patient on that one, but this one is looking kind of good though. Nilsi, nope, Sirius XM, damn, they're still doing their thing. Wow, what the hell? They've been sideways for... Man, this could be an interesting basing pattern, though, right here on Sirius XM holdings. Weekly is pretty damn bullish. Daily's losing a little bit of the momentum on the RSI, but, I mean, it's just coming atop the range that it's been consolidating on for... since coronavirus crash, making higher lows with even highs, kind of ascending triangle action. You know, maybe you can look for this thing to come up back to the mid 7s. I bet this has options on it too. Yep, it sure does. Are they liquid, though? That's the problem. Usually they're not. They're okay. They're okay. At the money's 25 at 30, so it's not like great. But, you know, you can play in there. This could be like some lotto shit right here. It's probably the better way to play this guy. What do you, if we're looking for like $8? Oh, let's zoom out a little bit on the weekly. On das weekly. Ja? Jawohl. Oh, man. Yeah, let me know if y'all want me to go look at any tickers or anything. I'm just kind of checking out the market, trying to find some type of possible opportunities here. Weekly's a little bit extended, but not too bad. This is actually a pretty tight range. Man, what's this monthly look like? Let's go look at the monthly. Oh, shit. Yeah, I like that. Oh. 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 Okay. Okay. Sloppy. Very kind of funky pattern right here, but man. For this risk, I mean, what is it, like 10% or something? Yeah, about 10%. Oh, man, and it even dipped down earlier today. Yeah, I think I'm going to put on a little trade on this guy with some options. Let's do maybe, what's the 7.40 cents? Damn it. Let me see if I can go out further. What if I go out to December? It's like 30 cents. You get a little bit more. Maybe we'll just do... $93 days out to September. So we're all the way over to about here. Yeah, it doesn't look that far, you know, when you really look at it. It's like, oh, September is like right here. That's like barely anything on the chart. 90 days goes by super fast. Because it clearly has a lot of resistance at 726. I'm just going to do straight shares on this one, actually. Maybe I'll sell a call against it. We'll see. All right. How many do I want to buy? 1 billion shares. Oh, I need more than that. So what is that going to do? All right. All right, I'm just going to start with a smaller, about a half-size position in anticipation of a little bit of a more dippity-doo-dah into the lower sixes, and then I'll convert it into a full position if we get that. If not, no worries. Happy with the half. I'll take it. Looks like 57. Let's see if the market guy will let me get in. Yep, 57. All right. So we're going to upgrade that. There we go. All right. Let's see. Is ES still getting some love? Let's go check it out. Is Mosey still getting some love? Man, Mosey might be going to be doing another run here. I know it sounds crazy after it's done this 200% run in less than a month, but man, look, it's just hanging out again on top of the consolidation area. So I'm not going to take this trade, but it is an interesting spot. Ha actually looks good. I like this one on the daily. Pretty sexy. Weekly's got so much resistance though at 29 bucks. All right, let me close this. UNP. What's up, Mr. Howard? How are you doing today? UN Pizzle. What is this? Oh, Union Pacific. Ooh, I don't like this daily. This is kind of like a distribution type pattern with volatility just finished flashing too. So that's not my favorite setup on that. Man, yeah, look at that. Big rally off that low. It's giving up all the dumps now from the stupid Fed. All the dot plot that you could already see 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I don't like this. This is very akin to distribution. Oscillators are pretty bearish on the daily. How about the weekly? Weekly super neutral. Yeah, it's not my favorite chart. Definitely not my favorite chart. I don't really like it below like 225. Anything back below like 220 has a pretty good chance of hitting like 210-ish, looks like. Let's look at it on a monthly, because this has been around a long time. Yeah, man, monthly chart's real sloppy on the oscillators. It hasn't had any momentum. A little blip of bearish momentum back in Corona, but I mean, obviously all that shit got very much rejected overall. Yeah, it's not my favorite chart. I don't like this daily formation. This is kind of like a complex head and shoulders distribution type pattern. And like anything below, yeah, like about 220-ish, I'd be a little concerned about this. What would change my mind, though, is if we could get back above 227 and start closing some dailies up there. But I don't like, especially don't like when historical volatility flashes at the very end of almost a pattern completion. That's not my favorite read. And transportations aren't doing that good either. If we go over here to the transportation index, it's actually breaking down too. So, yeah, not my favorite chart. What's up, Eli? What are your thoughts on BTC hour and 4 hour? Well, let's see. Let's go check it out. Let me just look at this real quick. Oh, yeah, giving up all the Fed stuff. This is very aggressive, though, so I'd be a little cautious about... I'm definitely not going to long here. Kind of missed that opportunity on this candle, but that's okay. Can't catch them all. Let's go to Bitcoin. You said hourly. We can do the hourly. I usually don't go that low, but... yeah, man, hourly is just a real noisy chart for Bitcoin. Unless you're doing real short term, like scalping almost. I mean, it's barely holding on to this trend line, and it's lost all its momentum from this little run. Yeah, man, I can't really give any good thing on the hourly. Let's go to 4 hour. I like the 4 hour better on Bitcoin. Yeah, it's actually lost its momentum too on the oscillators. I mean, it's just going to be kind of sticking to the horizontals no matter the time frame. Even if you ratchet up to the daily, it's going to be about the same. But I'd say, man, if as long as it's holding this horizontal at like mid 37s, it's okay. But yeah, this 4 hour, I don't like these big candles like this that take out the previous few days of action. That's usually not the sign of health and fitness. And you can even see here too, this 4 hour is getting rejected at the 21 as well. So not the best chart. And you can see also bulls never were able, after this initial little pump, they were never able to get new highs either. They've just been lackluster. And then the bears showed their hand again earlier. What was that? This morning? Yeah, early this morning. So not really the best sign of health and fitness for Bitcoin right now. The best thing it's got is just holding this mid 37s and hopefully anchoring in this trend line, because you do need 3 touches generally for it to be like a confirmed one. And so we'd really need another close on this time frame, or a 4 hour would do it too, above about 40,500. But yeah, not super great right now, man. TAN SEDG. What the hell is that? Are those 2 tickers? TAN? Probably, I guess. Solar ETF. Oh, that's cute. With TAN. Yeah, solar is funny you bring that up. I'm actually long First Solar right now. Probably haven't heard that name in a while. That was like back in Obama days. That was a big hot topic back. Oh, God. Brutal chart. It has kind of flipped back around, though. We are trying to see if price can be accepted in the consolidation zone before Dump Fest 2011. As long as it's holding this low at about $67, it's okay. Yeah, man, 67, 70 bucks is real important. Anything back below here, I'd be looking for some pretty substantial downside on this guy. Let's look at it on a monthly because it has quite a bit of data. Easier to read on the monthly. And the monthly is also really hammering in that upper 60s zone too. So, yeah, as long as it's above there, it's okay. I'd really like to see the daily get out of between the 377 and 200. I hate when stuff's between that. It just is very neutral, and you can get whipsawed to death when you're between those two major moving averages. So, man, yeah, but if we could get back above that and get back in this consolidation in the upper 80s, yeah, we probably will get a decent run. And on that, I'll go show you first solar, what I like about this chart. Or maybe I won't because I'm not doing it right. Isn't it F? First, damn it, what the hell is the ticker? First solar, there it is. FSLR, oh, I was close. A little dyslexic. So on the monthly, this is the chart I really like for solar stuff on a monthly. You can see this long consolidation. I mean, for 5 or actually like 6-7 years just chilling. And so as long as this thing is holding, also weirdly enough, the upper 60s, same as the TAN ETF, they must hold lots of first solar. As long as it's holding upper 60s too on all this, I think this thing does actually have some pretty good chances for some momentum to the upside. And I'm wondering also if this is rallying from insider knowledge on infrastructure package stuff, if they're going to give some of that money to, renewable energy things. And if that seems to kind of be a theme that's been resurfacing this year, especially with them hating on Bitcoin, even with the, whatchamacallit. Oh, it's not, green friendly or whatever. So I could definitely see some solar taking off. And I don't know anything about when that infrastructure package is supposed to kind of possibly be put to the floor or passed or whatever. I know it's probably going to be passed before Biden leaves and probably before the midterm election next year. So, and the way this chart is building up, it's definitely showing that there's some interest in it. Anything, though, back below like that upper mid-60s area, or if we even get a monthly close below the 21 EMA, I'd be a little bit concerned on that one. All right, what else do you got? Yeah, Mr. Rob. Well, are you biased, though, because you're in the solar business? Nah. Maybe. I don't know. No, that'd be awesome, though, especially for you. Hell, I hope that happens. I did UNP. I did that one. I didn't do Sedge. Oh, Sedge. I haven't heard that one in a while. You just want to get up all on that solar. Man, I haven't looked at Sedge since this trend line I drew on it a while back, it looks like. Broke that, kind of consolidating. It looks a lot like that other chart, too. Man, as long as it's holding about 200, low 200s, it looks okay. It is losing a little bit of momentum, but we're still up in the close to the power zone, and we're not breaking structure on the RSI yet on the monthly, so that's good. But you do have a very serious trend line right here, and you'll have a cross. So there's major resistance in the low 300s, and then you got real good support in the low 200s. Anything back above like 270 probably gets us a run to this to that 310, 320 area, but not too bad at all. That first solar chart just looks really good. See, I mean, this one is like super frothy already for the last few years. Came to the party kind of late too, so, but not too terrible. You're very welcome, Eli. No problem, man. Let's see. BlackBerry. BlackBerry is interesting here. Still got dominance on the DMI. I like that. Hanging out on the 10 or on the 21 EMA and this flat part of the MAMA average, which is this purple line. So I do like that. Yeah, I mean, hell, BlackBerry might not be the worst spot for some risk on the daily. On the weekly, it's a little bit far away. You got all the way to like the 10 handle. That's kind of tough because shit, that's damn 20% down. Earnings coming up too. Ooh, earnings in June. I guess that's next week, it looks like. Or maybe the week after, but coming up in about 10 days. Yeah, it's okay, but I want a little bit of reset probably. I'd probably use the 3 hour maybe for an entry on this guy. And if we can reset and get back above you know, this body candle here at about 1350-ish, then I'd probably be interested in it. And maybe they can do some awesome shit with earnings, although I don't know how much that matters. There's a bunch of earnings that came out recently, and they just dumped like 10%. Even on beats and better guidance and everything, it just didn't even matter. They just dumped. But if you held a gun to my head and was like, you got to do this, man, yeah, I mean, it looks okay as long as it's holding about 12 bucks. You just got to be careful with these meme stocks because this bitch will gap, right? You do have this gap on the 3 hour from 1150 to 1250. So, wow, yeah, maybe it is just 1250. If it holds 1250, it's okay. Because after that, we probably would get a gap into the upper 10s. I wouldn't be surprised for that. I'd much rather buy it in the 10s. I think that looks a little bit sexier. Let's look at it on the monthly because BlackBerry's been around for a while. But hey, this is a change in behavior, kind of like First Solar's chart. Nice consolidation for almost 8 years. Man, if we could get some monthly closes above like 13 and just float, dude, like BlackBerry could be getting some mad love. And they are QNX. I don't think they do phones anymore, but the QNX stuff that they do, and that's in like a lot of different cars. It's pretty much like the management software for self-driving and just all the different electronics in cars. You know, Apple's doing it. So they're one of the leaders. They already have a lot of contracts and everything. So the monthly is showing a little bit of change of behavior here. Man, and the monthly is also showing that 10 handle is a very sexy entry point too. So that's nice. Let's see. Solar, huge. It's huge, man. Oh, what did I get? I didn't look at my... Yep. Market's giving up some of those gains. Gold's just chilling. All right, what else do we got here? Neo. Yeah, Neo's an interesting one. I don't hate this chart. We were actually looking at this yesterday. Talking about how it looks pretty damn good, and we're almost regaining the weekly mama, so that's pretty damn sexy. We really need to hold about 42 though. Daily also agreeing with about that 42, but this is a good read. There's no doubt about it. We got all the reset oscillators look good. I'd like to see a little bit more dominance on the RSI, like maybe getting back above the 70 area, because you can see that that's where it got rejected last time, was about 71, kind of where it just potentially is maybe getting rejected again here. Let's see. Yeah, but man, this looks pretty damn good, above 40 bucks on Neo. So that's kind of surprising. Damn, and this weekly is actually the bulls are attempting to regain dominance on the weekly. We're still going to need about probably another couple weeks to see if that happens, but yeah, above 40 bucks, this actually looks pretty damn good. I like how it's just kind of grinding up this 10 simple for now. I mean, yeah, if you wanted to go in here, I'm not financial advice because I'm an idiot. Don't listen to me. Do your own research, blah, blah, blah. But if I was going to do it and buy this, I would probably ratchet down to the 3 hour. In any close below the 55 EMA, I'd probably exit out of this position and then wait for the reset. Because if that happened, these oscillate or the EMAs would start rolling over on that close below there, and I'd look for a reset on the EMAs. But yeah, I mean, shit. Right now on this 10 simple, I mean, it's not that terrible. It's only about 4 or 5% down to about 42.5. And back below 42.5 is probably going to get some more consolidation on this guy. But not too shabby, though. I wonder if Nicola's the same way. Let's go look. Nah, not near as sexy of a chart. It is trying to break this trend line that it's been just raping up and down over here, left and right. Let's go to weekly, because that is sloppy. Man, dude, this thing gave up all of its gains. 85% down. Jesus, Nicola. And now it's just maybe doing a dead cat bounce. Look at this, how it respected the 55 EMA on the weekly multiple times. So not near as sexy as Neo. And I think Nikola is actually a lot more, I don't want to say fraudulent. I don't really do a lot of fundamental analysis, but I think they're a lot more questionable, we'll say, than Neo is. Neo's already involved in lots of like electronic racing stuff and like EV pre's and things of that nature. So all right, let's see. Let's go look at ES again. What you doing, baby? Okay. So we got some love. Nice little 30-point bounce off the lows. But look where it's already stalling out. Right where the Fed announcement was. Really need to take out above this about 42.30. But not too shabby of a reaction. We close this bitch kind of up here. Definitely above the 10 simple again. The market's like, whatever, Fed. We already knew about this stupid rate hike dot plot that you wanted to keep pumping. That's already been public information for weeks. So, cool. Cool beans. Again, you're very welcome, Mr. J. Eli. Or Mrs. or whatever. Let's see here. We want to look at some cryptos. I actually do want to kind of look at coin checkup. Let's see what's going on over here. Amp, Quant, nothing too crazy. Pretty lackluster. Just a couple of double-digit gainers. So pretty shitty day for crypto. Nothing really cool there. Oh, Bitcoin. Is it getting any love? Oh, we got to zoom out. 7 crack time frames on Bitcoin. Jesus Christ, that's too much. Yes, all right. Hitting up the 42.30. Okay, man. Not too shabby. Am I about to get a long signal on Russell? Yeah, it still needs a little bit of work. The one thing that's not bouncing that good is the YM. Like, it's trying, but look, it's already getting rejected from the announcement area. Yeah, YM, I don't know, man. This chart does not look good to me. And we were seeing this yesterday as a possible, like, inverted Adam and Eve. It's kind of, maybe it's harder to see it like that. If I invert it, you can see Eve, boom. Yeah, and like I don't know, man. This is concerning. There's no doubt about this chart. And any close on a daily below, again, to reiterate this, like 33.6, that's gonna trigger a sell signal from Dow theory, if you like to follow some Dow theory stuff. But yeah, I mean, this is not the sexiest chart, man. These 3-hour candles they're fudging ugly. NASDAQ trying to bounce right off the mama, but I mean, now we're just coming right back up into these ranges. God damn it, if we start ranging again for another freaking 2 weeks, I'm just gonna never trade again. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, right. Yeah, right, man. DraftKings, you like that bet and stuff, huh, Mr. Eli? Let's go over here. DraftKings. What is DraftKings doing? All right, so DraftKings is this. We brought this up on yesterday's show. This candle formation right here is actually pretty decent for bulls. I don't like just by itself on pure price action. You know, with oscillators and it being between the 377 and 200, I generally don't like because that's just like on a daily, especially. That's generally like confusion, kind of wishy-washy area. But this candle right here is pretty interesting, and as long as it's holding this low at about 44.50, it's okay. It's not too bad. Let's see what the 3-hour is doing. Yeah, the 3-hour doesn't look good, and I wouldn't put any risk on for this until the 3-hour at least reset and looked a little bit better. And it's probably going to need like another few days for that to happen. Let's go to weekly. Yeah, and in the weekly chart, this is kind of distribution-esque right here. The last year or so. So that's a little bit concerning. Let's see what volume profile says. Yeah, man, it better hold on to about 40 bucks. Below that, you get into the mid 30s pretty easily, and then anything back below like $34 is going to be pretty nasty. About the 3-day? Yeah. I don't know. I think there's better opportunities out there. I wouldn't put any risk on this one until at least this 3-hour flips back around. And a lot of people are, oh, well, you missed maybe the bottom. Well, yeah, whatever. There's almost impossible to buy bottoms and sell exact tops. Like, just remove that from your brain. It's just like, yeah, you can get lucky sometimes, but like, man, it's just not realistic to think that way in trading. Yeah, and the dominance too on DMI actually did just regain its strength. Let me go look. Yeah, I would wait on this one, man. I wouldn't, I'm not going to trade this one. Yeah, Dixie did, man. Oh, you got your bag holding and DraftKings. Yeah, this one isn't, yeah, that kind of sucks, man. Sorry to hear. I mean, the weekly on the Mama is trying to provide some support. If this weekly could close back above 50 bucks, you probably got a good chance to get to like mid 50s. But overall, it's not the best chart, that's for sure. Yeah, Dixie, man. Dixie was... Whoops. Dixie. Dixie definitely is pumping hard, but look where it's pumping, right to the underbelly of the trend line. Will it be able to get over it? Maybe. Oh, wow. Euro's down a whole full percent right to the 120 area. Man, there's some pretty good support here. I actually might nibble on some Euro. Ooh, because it's easy. For me, this is an easy risk thing at this trend line cross at about like 19.5. And then it's like whatever. Let's see. And Euro's pretty cool. If you don't want to get like really big, because some of the futures products and stuff can get pretty large on the Euro. But they do have micros on it. And those are small, like, notional-wise. I think it's... Shit, what is it? Let me pull one up real quick and look. Yeah, I mean, notional, it's about a $15,000 notional value, which is relatively small. I mean, it sounds like a lot, but you don't have to put up 15 grand to trade it because, futures are highly leveraged. You only have to put up, like, 600 bucks. And that's on my broker. Interactive Broker is my main one. But yeah, so it's just kind of an easy risk spot there. Yeah, I think I might take this. Just look for a bounce maybe for about a half a penny or a penny. Which doesn't sound like shit, but in Forex, I mean, again, Forex is super highly leveraged. It's one of those areas where you can get 100x and 100x in normal markets, like the degenerate traders in crypto. 100x on a shitcoin that moves 10% every day. Well, get wrecked, bro, because it's about a 99% chance you're going to. You can just send me your money if you want. If you want to trade 100x, I'll just take it. It's cool. Just donate it to a better cause than the broker. Anyway, yeah, but you can see this 19 handle does have quite a bit of space in there. And if they're not going to even, I mean, this whole crap about hiking 2 years out, I mean, a lot of shit can happen in 2 years. So it's like, whatever, man. Look at that. ES kind of giving it up, boys and girls. Yeah, right at the freaking Fed meeting. You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. I want to see this 3-hour get reversed before I get real aggressive getting back long. I was only thinking about scalp trading, so... let's see here. Yeah, I'm actually going to put on a little Euro trade here. Let's see. Where are you, Euro? Is my Euro delayed on this? No, it doesn't say so. This must be a different contract than what I'm on. And there's probably a little bit of... Oh, what the hell is the Euro freaking... what is it? I'm trying to remember. Oh, yeah. The micros. Yeah, I'm not going to put on a full position on that. I'm going to nibble on this guy. which is M6E if you don't know, if you want to be future trading on this guy. M as in micro, 6 as in the devil, and E as in Eli. Let's see here. Transmit. God dang it, Bobby. They filled the shit out of me on that one. Like, here you go, brother. You want some euro right now? Dump it on your ass. Yeah, it's a pretty tight market, though. Usually I don't like in options when I get filled immediately. Oh, God, I do not like that. All right, let's see here. Custom order. Yes, cancel all those orders. Let's see. Stop limit. I'm trying to remember the tick value on there. Shit. I gotta open up a different thing here. Give me a second. Just kind of... Oh my god, it's already 10 till? Holy shit, time flies when you're looking at charts, doesn't it? Don't it? Alright. Alrighty. Do that. Stop at... What about like 1950? Let's see. What about there? Good to cancel. Commissions. Yes, that's about, I think it's $100 a penny, I believe. Let's see. Oh, dude, can I look at my damn screen, boy? Dollar. Yeah, so it's about 125 a penny. Looks like. Okay, cool. Okay. Just had to double check because you never know. Thanks for Tia. You're very, very welcome, sir. Have an awesome day, Mr. Eli. I'll catch you next time. Alrighty then. Let's see here. I gotta pull up over here. Maybe I can't. It's not wanting to let me play. Open it up, damn it. Ah. Do that, do that, do this. I'm just talking to myself here. Where the hell is it? Oh, what? No, I want, no. There we go. Close that up. Ah, USOB. Alright, go to here. Badow. And then let's see. Oh, god damn it, Bobby. Pull up that DOM window. You know. Alright, let's put this guy in. Badow. Alright, yeah, so it's about right. About $100. Okay, cool. Yeah, boy. Alright, so just small little position there. We'll see how that runs. And I'm going to put an alert at... I don't want to get crack time frame alerted. We're just going to alert on a 3 hour if we get down below this level right here. Alright, ES, yeah, giving it up a little bit. Not surprising. Is Dow doing it too? Yep, not surprising. Damn, Can giving it up. Yeah, I don't see much else to do here today. I don't believe. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up and go hang out with the kiddo for a little bit. All right, Bitcoin, Mama Bear. Don't you be breaking 37.5 or you're a bitch and you're probably going to go down. And it already kind of looks like it wants to sell off. I don't like that this was. I didn't even know. Someone told me that Elon was tweeting again, and then we get this stupid rally. I guess he matters again. 3 weeks ago or a month ago, it was like, oh, fuck Elon. And now everybody's like, oh, okay, he's great. So stupid. This market is silly. And again, between this range, nothing has changed, even with this big rally here. I mean, the only good thing was, oh God, and it's already given it up. The only good thing was the 458 was starting to get bullish. And look, that one candle just ruined it. These are ugly candles. This sucks. And if this doesn't confirm as a actual anchor for the trend line, I mean, dude, this thing probably will come back into the stupid middle of the range, and then we'll be range dancing again. I mean, we actually kind of already are. I mean, we do have this higher close from this, but it's still lower than 41K, the mama, and all of that stuff. So bulls are trying. They really are. But they're not trying hard enough. And again, we're getting rejected from this very much respected RSI trend line from the very beginning of the year. And so until this breaks and we get back over like mid 40s, I mean, it's just not really, I don't think it's very safe to be super long in crypto. So that's kind of, I think we're going to leave it off right there. Oh yeah, hash ribbon chart. Let's go look at that real quick, and then I'm out of this biatch. Hash ribbon. What? Why is KSM on here? Oh, I was on my phone the other day looking at something. Didn't mean to do that. Yeah, we don't need to look up that chart. Yeah, nothing. It's trying to maybe curl around here, so maybe we can get some action. Let's see. I mean, it's gonna take a while for this to reset. Still, I mean, probably till the end of this month. So, shit. Hurry up and wait, guys. Grab some popcorn. All right, let's save this so we don't get KSM on there. Close, close, close. All right, guys. Awesome. Well, thanks for joining the stream. I'll see y'all tomorrow. And thank goodness the stupid Fed's out of the way. And how hilarious is it that everybody's talking about something that was already public information? It's like, oh, well, Daddy said it, so now it's for real. But whatever, who cares? Market is forward pricing and forward looking, and so it already kind of knew what was up. And yeah, here we are giving it up. This is some pretty decent damage on the low time frames, but we haven't got any major damage on the dailies yet, except for the Dow. The Dow does have very decent damage done to it, and it's actually bearish below 34.3. So the Dow is kind of hinting that we're about to sell off. So any closures, or probably even price period below 33.550 or 33.6, probably leads into a 3 to 6% sell-off in the markets. So very ugly chart on the Dow, kind of hinting like, hey, let's be a little cautious over here, guys, okay? But let's just hurry up and wait and see what's up. Much love. I'll see y'all guys later. Peace.
Game over.